Coming to question number 10. Ribozymes are RNA acting as enzymes, DNA acting as enzymes, DNA acting as molecular scissors, RNA acting as molecular scissors. We know that molecular scissors are endonucleases, REN, restriction endonucleases, and ribozymes are RNA acting as enzymes. Generally, enzymes are protein. All enzymes are protein, whereas sometimes RNA also act as enzymes, and those RNA which act as enzymes are called as ribosomes. Question number 11. Who experimentally proved the semi-conservative mode of DNA replication? We know what is semi-conservative mode of DNA replication. One of the strand in daughter DNA comes from the parent and the other is newly formed. Matthew Meselson, Franklin Stahl, both A and B, Watson and Crick. And the answer is both A and B. In our book, in our NCERT book, we have studied that Meselson and Stahl experiment. They proved the semi-conservative mode of DNA replication by using isotope of nitrogen. 12th question. Any mistake during replication would result into, replication is here DNA replication. During the formation of DNA replication, if at all any mistake occurs, definitely it is mutation. Let us see. Duplication, inversion, mutation, polyploidy. And the answer is mutation. Now moving on to question number 13. How many types of DNA polymerase are the enzymes, DNA polymerase are the enzymes which help in the synthesis of DNA, are associated with eukaryotic cell, and answer is 5. Now 14th, reverse transcriptases. Now what is reverse transcription? Formation of DNA from RNA is reverse transcription, and the enzyme which help in that is reverse transcriptase. DNA dependent DNA polymerase, RNA dependent DNA polymerase, DNA dependent RNA polymerase, RNA dependent DNA polymerase. Let us see here reverse transcription. In reverse transcription, DNA is formed from RNA. So reverse transcriptase is the enzyme which help in this process, and so it should be RNA dependent DNA polymerase, and the option is RNA dependent DNA polymerase. Coming to 15, transcription involves the formation of, transcription is just opposite of reverse transcription. Transcription is formation of DNA from RNA, DNA from DNA, RNA from DNA, RNA from RNA, protein from RNA. So it is formation of RNA from DNA. During protein synthesis we have seen that. 16th one, the term genetic RNA refers to, the term genetic RNA refers to genetic material of RNA virus, RNA that carries genetic message, RNA that helps gene regulation in lack of peron, RNA present in mitochondria. See, viruses, they have genetic material DNA or RNA, but not both. Okay, so the genetic RNA is nothing but genetic material of RNA virus. Genetic material of RNA virus. 17th one, a gene that take part in synthesis of polypeptide. Polypeptide is formation of protein, and we know that it is structural gene. Regulator gene, structural gene, operator gene, promoter gene. Answer is structural gene.